That's the makings of a barbecue right there. Firing up that dragon right there. Once I get that dragon going, I'm gonna come over here, throw that chicken on there. Look at that, folks. Got a whole chicken with some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Cold beer never broke my heart. That whole chicken up on there. Bring it on home to me, yeah. Baby, baby, I get down on my knees for you, baby. So pretty. Go ahead and count them out, baby. I need them for a beer run. Come on now. Oh, it's just doing a little barbecue out here. It's typhoon blowing through. Mostly combat ineffective. It's just a lot of rain, a little bit of wind. Blew some leaves off the trees. We're pretty much good to go here in the Angeles, like I said many times. Never see the devastation like other areas of the country does. We just get rain dumped on our heads. It's temporary. I think my buddy said his power went out for like 20 minutes today. Our power hasn't went out during this typhoon at all. So just out here barbecuing, doing a little typhoon barbecue. Cause there ain't no party like a typhoon party. Cause a typhoon party won't stop. My God, how many of these parties am I gonna have here? Oh, it's still raining. I tried to go out in the Tesla chopper today to do a damage assessment. But every time I try to roll out, it's raining. No use in getting it wet when I don't have to. Because there ain't really no damage to see. Just a few mango leaves. Mango tree leaves getting blown around. So this charcoal so moist, it just wouldn't light up. So I'm a little slow on my barbecue tonight. Y'all see the stress on Monday here. Now, baby, I got a question. Did this thing come with a latch? Huh?
I got that.
You cut it open? Why did you cut it open, baby? Look at that, folks. That's a Filipina's piggy bank. You're supposed to save, but the first thing they're gonna do is cut a latch in that thing for emergency purposes. When you get too much utang at the sorry store, you gotta get into that latch, that hatch. The hatch on the piggy bank. That's a Filipina hatch, like a Scooby snack. Folks, take a gander at this here machine. It's okay to be jealous. Look at that. Look at that Tesla chopper. I mean, I'm talking, that thing is a work of art now. That is a machine. Now my vegetables were done, so I just pulled that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker off the grill and I stuck it on the charcoal chimney. It's just chilling out, cooling off, because them vegetables are done up in there. My goodness. All right, what temperature are we batting right there? 300 and something. Whoa, let's take a look at that chicken. My goodness, that chicken is looking so delicious up in here. I'll just slide them over there. Just give them a slider. Just slide them back and forth. We barbecued ribs last night. We're barbecuing a chicken tonight. There was a break in the action last night, so I put in a grab order. The first rider canceled my order immediately. Second dude rogered up, called me up, and said, "Oh, everybody's gonna cancel." And I learned something new. What he said was, he said when the riders queue up or roger up, whatever, and they see that it's over 3,000 pesos, they're automatically gonna cancel. And I'm like, dude, that don't make no sense. You don't even know what's on the order. What if I ordered, 2 bottles of liquor? You're just automatically gonna cancel because you see the 3,000 and you assume you can't get it? So we had this conversation. I'm like, dude, just go over there and look at it, man. See if you can do it. I mean, whatever. I said, if you want to cancel, that's up to you. I'll just keep hitting reorder until somebody brings it. And it wasn't a big load. It was not by no means a big load. It was some meat. It was some beer. Trust me, it was 2 sacks, 2 little small sacks, but it was over 3,000 pesos. Why? Because the meat's expensive, right? But I guess the first dude just saw the 3,000, said cancel. The second dude, I guess I talked him into it. I was like, dude, just take a look at it. Go take a look. Go to the store. I mean, if you're at the store, take a look. Whatever. I told him, I said, man, I can get it on my motorbike. I don't know about you, but I'm not canceling. You want to cancel? That's up to you. I'll just keep hitting fucking reorder. So the dude took a look at it and hit me up and was like, okay, sir, I'll deliver. I'm like, good for you, man. Good for you. And the young man, he got over here close and, as usual, started turning these racetracks and going 3 blocks over and just riding up and down the road trying to ask somebody where the house is. But he did ask me an interesting question over text. He's like, I hate to use the word vlogger. I'm not a vlogger, okay? I'm a filmmaker. He said, sir, are you a vlogger? And I just didn't respond. Well, why would you ask that? Maybe word's getting around that I'm complaining about these drivers not being able to read a map. So anyhow, the dude, it was a break in the action. It wasn't raining. It was just a little bit of sprinkle. He brought the stuff over here after, doing the old Easter egg hunt for about 10 minutes. Because he either can't read a map or doesn't pay attention to the map, doesn't look at the pin. I don't know. All I can do is tell you to be patient, as always. Shout out to him. Thanks for bringing my beer. I got me a 6-pack Stella Artois, some ribs, and a whole chicken. And we just been cooking during this typhoon. Ain't no use in going nowhere. Tried to go somewhere today, but just ride it out at home and chill. You know what I mean? And that's what we're doing. So there you go, folks. Got this old lady right here. Let me show you the stress I'm under. Y'all see that old woman right there? She causes me so much stress every day. Baby, why you do stress to me, baby?
Why you do stress to me?
How do I stress you? Just tell everybody, how do I stress you out? How? Give me one reason I stress you out. Oil. Oh, baby, I got a low back. Can you just give him one valid reason why I stress you? Oh, what? What do I do?
You know.
They don't know. Just tell us.
You know.
What I do? I got a low back.
Uy, bad smell na.
What?
Smell burn?
It's not burn. I ain't never burned nothing in my life. Just drag it back over to the left, baby. Folks, this old girl looking beautiful. Marie's out there making soup in that hole in the concrete. She makes like little mud soup over there. Look at that chicken. Maria said she wants pizza for tomorrow. I said, okay, I'll make you pizza for tomorrow. Folks, I got an idea in my head for some thin crust pizza. I'm talking Guinness Book of World Records is going to contact me about my thin crust pizza. It's going to be the thinnest crust in the history of thin crust pizza. Stay tuned for that coming up on a future cooking show episode. Let me show you what we got here. Ah, yeah, look at that. Look at them vegetables right there. That is gonna be some kind of delicious little vegetable medley. Folks, that smells so delicious. My goodness, that smells delicious. Wow. Baby, did you put Worcestershire?
Oh, that's hot.
That's why I'm gonna put it on the blanket. Right there. Come on over here, baby. Take a closer look. Take a gander at that right there. How's that look, folks? Oh, Lord, I'm a culinary genius. Little vegetable medley, the smell. Did you say you put Worcestershire? I'm telling you, the Worcestershire makes that right there. Put this chicken over. Oh, look at that beauty. It's a beauty. That's an absolute beauty right there. Keep cooking, baby. Big shout out to Gordon Ramsay, man. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, picking up all these tips. You know what I mean? I bet the next time you see Gordon Ramsay, he gonna be wearing welding gloves. Give me a kiss, baby. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Come on, old girl, get over here and check that chicken, baby. Check that chicken. Oh, I think it's done, baby. What you think? A little bit more? What you think? 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes. What you think?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
And I think you look beautiful. What you think, baby? Looks done? Huh? Yes or no?
Yeah.
All right, he let us eat. Papa will be back in just a little bit. Going for a little walk. Gonna pick up a friend of mine. It's a beautiful night out here now. It's just windy. It's just windy. It's cool. Got a few clouds in the sky, but the rain has ceased. Just palm trees blowing in the wind. So beautiful. Hell yeah, folks, got lucky. Everybody else had their little the door on here. This gentleman didn't. I'm like, hell yeah. I'd rather get wet. I would rather get wet than to sit in here and not be able to see out. Because I'm in just mine. Love to see you riding, women love it. Oh, daddy, you messing with the nature boy. Got a little bit of lap traffic here in front of Mischief Bar. Typhoon. Wow, beautiful lady on the back of that aircraft. Wow, that's a pretty girl right there. She's like, what the hell is this dude doing? I'm filming. I'm making a YouTube video. There you go, right there. There's your look down the world famous walking street on a night of typhoon activity. Folks, look who it is.
Hi, hello.
Look who it is. Look at this beautiful girl right here. Where you been, baby?
Yeah, I've been Quezon.
All
I'm
right.
from Quezon today.
All right, got the beautiful Nanita back on board. My goodness, rolling through the typhoon. Look at this beautiful lady. My goodness. Even the typhoon can't stop the walking street party. Got players all over the place. Look at this beautiful lady right here. My goodness.
I want to buy toothbrush.
Where's the toothbrush? Right here, baby.
That's my brush.
Got plenty of toothbrushes right here.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Look at that beautiful girl. My goodness. Got to give me one beer. Where are we going with here? Oh, got to go with a Heineken in a can. Look at that right there. Come daddy. I get the old lady some chocolate here. She like a Toblerone, but that's a little expensive. But you know what? She's worth it. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Oh, for the love of humanity. He's out here in a typhoon holding the door open. All right, let's roll. Got a toothbrush and some beer. Let's go, darling. My right leg is soaking wet. Denise is all worried for me. That's so sweet, baby. You're so sweet to worry about me. But you know what? Water ain't gonna bother me. It ain't gonna bother me at all. But my right leg is soaked. Left leg dry as a bone. I got you a prize in here, baby. Get in there. I got lots of chocolate in there, but you're the special one. You got the Toblerone. No, baby, all them chocolates aren't for you. Just the one Toblerone, baby. It'd be special.
Yes.
There's Maria Mercedes. Hey, sweetie girl.
Hello.
All right.
Say hi to
Auntie's
everyone.
back.
All the subscribers of Daddy Marcus.
Fatima, can you share your can you share your Toblerone?
Yeah, I shared too.
What? Baby, you put the Toblerone in my rum and coke.
No, when
or my
I-
rum and water
When
here.
I open this, then do the
Here, just get a bite. It's just a little bit of rum. Okay, it's going down the hatch. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it.